It's still hot, but I'm trying to make them pieces and it cool down easily, but they're no they can't wait anymore. Hey, you have to wait. You have to wait, my little girl. Come on, climb down. Yeah, let's back to work. Hey, it's ready. It's ready, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, guys. Yeah. Hey! Hey! Don't fight. What? They are not like this. Look at them. Come on. There's a monster inside of them. Come on. You eat here. Oh! Hey, don't fight. Did you guys like it? Of course you're gonna like it. Hey, don't. That should be enough for them. I don't wanna overfeed them. Hey! Hey! Yeah. For the first time, I see demon inside of them. And it's scary. Oh. Leo, did they steal your food? Yeah, she's full. Now she's gonna sleep. Look at that little fur ball. Are you sleepy? They all sleepy. Does chicken make you sleepy, guys? Come on. Let's back to bed. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna leave them alone so they can sleep.